this is really confronting the latest of the big pictures of what should be affecting the universities. The idea that the future lies in a global knowledge economy and that universities should be reformed to drive that economy. And that as a result, the internal organisation of the university is changed, the management, the auditing, the core functions of how we do research and what we mean by teaching and how we do teaching. And the very essence of who, as academics, we are and how we should be. Those are all part of the story of the global knowledge economy. And the UNIKE project is both studying that critically, but it's also it's funded by the EU as an initial training network. And one of the aims of the initial training networks is to produce the next generation of research leaders in Europe. So this raises the other issue then of how to train a cohort of doctoral students to be reflexive practitioners, to understand that their positioning, the way they think of themselves, the way they position themselves in their interactions with each other, in their institutions, has the potential to create the institutions of the future that they want to inhabit. And that's been a big challenge, an exciting challenge of the UNIKE project. So to think about what the importance of all this is, I think it's really to combine a sense of critique with thinking about how to use that critique actively. And one of the things I've been doing alongside the UNIKE project, or during the UNIKE project, is working with some of the international partners, and especially David Greenwood, but now we've created a whole international network of partners who are thinking about how we create the university of the future that we want to inhabit. And the key word here is trust. So we're thinking about the trust university in three senses. It's like a play on that word. An ownership system in trust that avoids the university being privatized and marketized in the way that we see threatening universities at the moment. Trust in terms of the internal management and governance system of the university. So we restore trust between managers and academics and students, which is again another indicator of what's been happening. And third, trust between the university and society. The universities in the global knowledge economy are under a whole range of demands from surrounding society. And how do we both assert what the core values of the university are in those negotiations and restore a sense of trust in relationships with the range of civic and economic and political interests that want to influence the future of the university. So in those three ways, we're playing with the word trust to try and design a way of thinking about the space, the work life, and the institutional structures that we want for the future.